Replacing the sunroof glass on a 1995 Maxima. I got the used glass from a shop in the States back in February of 2020, and it's now September 2020, and I'm just getting around to it. So this is how you replace the glass in the sunroof on a 1995 to 1999 Nissan Maxima. First thing to do is remove the plastic cover. There's a retaining bolt, nut, whatever you want to call it. And it's easier to get to it if you raise the back of the glass to get access to it. That little plug goes right there. 10mm wrench. There's 1, 2, 3 mounting points. Remove those on each side, and the glass will just come out, and reverse the procedure for the new glass. And I'll talk to you about positioning the glass before tightening up the fasteners. Notice there's a shim here and a shim there. In this case, there's 2 shims here, 2 shims there. On the other side, it's 3 shims for both. It just lifts up just like that, very easy. Alright, the new used panel is now in. It's just a matter of adjusting the nuts while I close the skylight to make sure it fits properly. Lower the glass slowly to seat the glass in the proper position. Raise the glass and then lower it again, then check it on the outside. Tighten the nut, just the one, on both sides, and then check for fitment. Now you can tighten the rest of the nuts, the 4 remaining nuts. Move the glass back to make access to the final nuts easier to get to. Doesn't have to be real tight, just tight enough. And that's it. It's done. Easy. Just put the covers back on and it's done. Took me about, what, 15 minutes, 20 minutes? After you've replaced the glass, it's a good idea to treat the rubber seal with silicone lube. In fact, it's good to treat all the rubber seals with this product. Silicone lube. Just in time for the rain.